Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. NDA's first meet on Tuesday. CM Parrikar leaves for Delhi along with Shripad and Savoykar. Delhi visit for cabinet board to Shripad. Congress Working Committee rejects resignations of Sonia and Rahul Gandhi during meeting. Kamal Nath advocates elections in CWC. Will put candidates against Congress if I float my own party. Congress MLAs are wagging their tail before this government. Vijay slams Congress in head-on. Court grants bail to Tejpal to attend mother's funeral. Bail for 3 weeks. Tejpal unable to make it at crematorium in time. Final rites performed. And person dies on spot after getting crushed under loaded truck at Salili in Sattari. Passengers injured in another accident at Khandepar between bus and trolley. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has left for Delhi with his 2 MPs. Parrikar will be meeting Narendra Modi, demanding a cabinet berth for Shripad Naik. On the other hand, dejected Congress leaders from the state are contemplating formation of a new regional party. Babush Monserrat has taken lead in this initiative. Vijay Sardesai also feels that a regional party is need of the hour.
NDA will have its first meeting on Tuesday after the poll triumph. Meeting will decide on cabinet portfolio allocation. Lobbying is on for a plump portfolio for Shripad Naik in Union Cabinet. Chief Minister along with Shripad Naik and Narendra Savoykar left for Delhi to meet Narendra Modi. CM will meet Modi after NDA meet on Tuesday.
ऑफिशियली ठरयतले आतापर्यंत लीडर कोण ते ऑलरेडी ठरलेलेच आसा पण ते फॉर्मेलिटी म्हणून मोदीक फाल्यां आमचो पार्लमेंटाचो नेतो असो ठरयतले आनी त्यानंतर आमकां क्लेम करपाक फुडें वाटचाल मोकळी जातली.
After UPA's rout in Lok Sabha poll, state Congress leaders have lost all hopes. They are contemplating formation of regional party. Babush Monserrat has taken the lead. Babush claims support of more MLAs within the Congress for this initiative. Independent MLAs also shares Monserrat's thought. Vijay Sardesai is advocating the need for a strong regional party, but Vijay claims that he is unaware of Babush Monserrat's plans.
Babush Monserrataचे कितें आहा तें हांवें आज आयकलां. हांव हे प्रादेशीक पक्ष करचो अशें म्हूण सदांच पयलींच्यान मताचो. पुणून हें आतां करप काय कितें ताजेर म्हाका जाल्यार there is no unanimity in my, there is no clarity at all, and this is not the time to think about these things. I feel he is either too late or we are too early.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with Dishan Parab from Vasco for Prudent.
Congress Working Committee unanimously rejected resignations offered by Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi during the much-hyped and crucial CWC meeting. Congress leader Amrinder Singh said poll debacle was a collective responsibility and not only of Gandhi's. Kamal Nath, a senior leader, endorsed Rahul Gandhi's view of having elections for CWC members to end patronage culture. The much-awaited Congress Working Committee meeting started at around 4:30 p.m. Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, along with senior Congress leaders, discussed poll debacle and introspected the defeat. As expected, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi offered resignations, but CWC members unanimously rejected it.
For Rahul, both of them.
He also offered
Both of them offered to resign, and offered to resign. They resigned, and the Congress Working Committee rejected it.
Rejected it, and what is the reason for why you rejected it, sir?
Because we think they are the best leadership we have.
And did any of the CWC members offer to resign in due to because of collective responsibility? Don't push it.
No, I don't think CWC came to it. Came only to them, and everyone then decided that there was no question of the Congress president and the vice president resigning, and it was a collective responsibility of everybody, and that's the way it should be.
And the fact that she's taken responsibility and Rahul Gandhi has taken responsibility, what were the reasons for why they said that it was a failure on their part?
Well, we haven't gone into the nitty-gritty of everything at the moment. But certainly they said that we are responsible, and we said you're not. It's collective responsibility, and everyone is to blame for that, and it's not on you. And we won't. The Congress feel that the working committee feel that you should be, and unanimously, in fact, told them that they must carry on.
Earlier senior Congress leader Kamal Nath, who is now looked upon as the opposition leader, said that patronage culture will end if elections are held in CWC.
I think we should have a working committee which is elected, and Rahul Gandhi has been saying this for the last 2 years, that we should have a working committee which is elected, and all those who to protect themselves oppose this are causing immense damage. I completely agree with Mr. Rahul Gandhi. We should have an elected working committee. Then this culture of people who are being bestowed with patronage is going to end.
Bureau Report Prudent. Congress MLAs are wagging their tail before this government. Vijay Sardesai, the independent MLA who spearheaded Congress campaign in South Goa, slammed the principal opposition party for their ineffectiveness. He advised them be watchdogs, not tail-wagging dogs. He announced that he would field candidates against Congress if he floats his own regional party.
सालसेत जेन्ना इतले आमी धरताले आमचे खर बरोबर म्हणून तेन्ना बीजेपीनूय सालसेतीचेर भरपूर मिशन सालसेत 2 केल्लें भरपूर पयसो मोडिल्लो आहा सालसेतीचेर आनी इतले सगळे करून बीजेपीक कितले मेळ्ळा जे लोक सालसेतींतल्यान उबे राविल्ले मतां फोडपाक आनी जे लोक बीजेपीक सपोर्ट करताले डायरेक्टली हांचो पॉलिटिकल नेटवर्थ एक्सपोज जाला नॉन बीजेपी नॉन काँग्रेस तेन्ना आमी चिंतूंक जाय आशिल्लें की we have been sent here to act as watchdogs, not to be dogs wagging their tail at the government. खूब काँग्रेसीचे आमदार आणि खूब काँग्रेसीचे लीडर इतले काबार जाल्ले आहा तांची their morale has collapsed that they are just crawling and bending when even not told to do so. काँग्रेसीन तांची कॅम्पेन म्हाका आउटसोर्स केली.
खरें न्ही तें?
ना आता खरें काय फुट तें पळोवया दर तुका दिसता खरें म्हणून जाल्यार आय एम युजिंग
अख्खी गोंयकारां दिसता खरें म्हणून
सो आय विल यूज द सेम आर्ग्युमेंट टू डिफेंड माय फेल्युअर की जेन्ना एक कॅम्पेन आउटसोर्स करून तूं घेता आनी जेन्ना तूं सगळ्या गांवांत भोंवता तेन्ना साहजीक की तुवें तुजी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी निग्लेक्ट केली.
सो फाल्यां जर विजय सरदेसायान आपली पार्टी काडली जाल्यार तुजे कॅन्डिडेट काँग्रेसीच्या अगेन्स्ट झगडटले.
म्हजे कॅन्डिडेट जिखपाक झगडटले वोट फोडून तिसऱ्याक निवडून हाडपाक
पण काँग्रेसीच्या अगेन्स्ट झगडटले
जोडूंक शकता. काँग्रेस कशी सेंटराक बिहेव करता ताजेर पळोवंक जाय कित्याक हांगा अशें चलना की हांगा जें चलना देर इज अ बिग डिस्कनेक्ट बिटवीन द हाय कमांड एंड द लो कमांड विच हॅज टेकन देम टू दिस.
सरळ लो कमांड म्हणटा तांकां
ते लो कमांड दे आर नॉट इन कमांड एंड दे आर लो दे आर नॉट हाय ऑल्सो. म्हजे अगेन्स्ट
when you are a face of a campaign and you fail to give lead in your own constituency, then definitely they are justified to derive that conclusion.
See, I am humbly accepting what verdict the people have given us, but I also want to caution those who are
being happy,
too excited over this. There is nothing to be greatly excited.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.